Articulate Rise is an e-learning authoring tool that enables you to create compelling and interactive online courses with ease and efficiency. Here are some key features of Articulate Rise. 1. Responsive and mobile-friendly courses. Articulate Rise enables the creation of courses that can adjust automatically to fit any screen size, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. 2. Multimedia elements. The tool allows the addition of various multimedia elements, including images, videos, audio files, and others to make the courses more engaging. 3. Pre-built templates. Articulate Rise offers several pre-built templates that can be utilized to design courses quickly and easily. 4. Customizable courses. The tool provides several customization options, such as choosing from different fonts, colors, and layouts to create courses that match the organization's branding. 5. Interactive assessments. With Articulate Rise, interactive quizzes and assessments can be created to test learners' knowledge and provide immediate feedback. 6. Web content embedding. Users can embed web content like social media feeds, websites, and other online resources directly into the courses. 7. Collaborative authoring. Articulate Rise facilitates collaboration by allowing users to share and work on courses together. 8. Tracking and reporting. The tool features built-in tracking and reporting functionalities that enable monitoring of learners' progress and assessment of course effectiveness. 9. Multiple publishing options. Courses can be published in various formats, including SCORM, Tin Can API, and web formats, and shared with learners through different channels like email, learning management systems, or social media. 10. Easy integration. Articulate Rise easily integrates with other Articulate tools, such as Articulate 360, as well as third-party software, such as learning management systems, LMS, and content management systems, CMS. In short, Articulate Rise is a versatile and robust tool that enables users to create engaging and effective online courses efficiently. This brings us to the end of the video. Hope you liked it. We would come up with more interesting and informative videos soon. Till then, keep learning and growing.